Yeah, if you hear that noise in the background, that's my friend. And that video won't shut up if she don't stop sharing her screen. Shut the video up. I'm sorry, guys, if you had to hear me curse. Shut my mom's video up. Sorry if you had to hear me curse. But it was like really important for me to curse. How about you shut the video up? Shut the video up. So like, yeah, shut it up. It's a horrible video. But it's better than yours. So shut it up. I'm a famous TikToker off of, I'm the famous TikToker. I'm a famous TikToker. My TikTok name is, give me 1 second, girl. Give me 1 second, guys. Girls and boys and girls. Give me 1 second.
Put this song in reverse and tell me what you hear.
Shut up.
Shut it up. Pause.
Put this song.
My name is Nocchiadoll. If you don't shut that up, if you don't shut that annoying thing up, I promise you, shut up! Hi guys, I'm not cursing at my best friend. No. Shut the video up. Shut it up. Shut it up. Shut the video up. Shut it up. How about you shut the video up, please? Shut it up. Shut it up. Shut it up. Shut it. I will hang up this phone right now. Shut it up. Shut it up.
That's what you get for calling me weird.
You're not weird. Oh my God, shut that up. Shut that up. I will hang up this phone. That is so loud. I will hang up this phone, Gianna. They can't even hear me over that music. My mom's probably coming up the stairs right now to ask me what is that stupid loud noise. Okay, Gianna, you're not weird. You're not weird, Gianna.
Say something nice. Did you want to hear about?
You are the most nicest person I've ever met. Oh my God. You're the best person I've ever met. My friend is the best person I've ever met.
Look at him. Look at him.
Shut it up, Gianna. Shut it up. Shut it up. Sorry if you had to see that close-up feedback. She was getting really mad. Shut up. Stop sharing your screen. Ha. Sharing my screen with you. I'm gonna watch all my mom's TikToks. Thanks for my screen back. It's okay. That's all for today, everybody. Bye.